Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of non-stick frying pans, essential kitchen tools for every cooking enthusiast. Have you ever faced the frustration of food sticking to your pan, ruining your meal? Or perhaps you're looking for that perfect pan which makes cooking breakfast a breeze. In this video, we will review the top 10 non-stick frying pans of 2024, where we'll uncover their features, benefits, and reasons why they stand out in the kitchen. 10. Circulon Symmetry Hard-Anodized Non-Stick Frying Pan. The Circulon Symmetry Hard-Anodized Non-Stick Frying Pan is a joy to use in the kitchen. Its durable, hard-anodized surface provides excellent heat distribution, ensuring that your food cooks evenly every time. I found this particularly useful when making delicate dishes like omelets or crepes, where even cooking is crucial. One of the standout features of this pan is its ability to withstand metal utensils without scratching. This is a game changer for those who prefer using metal spatulas or tongs while cooking. I've tested this claim extensively, and I'm happy to report that even after months of use, the non-stick surface remains intact and effective. The comfortable grip handle is another plus point. It stays cool during cooking, which adds an extra layer of safety and comfort. I've used this pan for long cooking sessions, and the ergonomic design of the handle prevented any hand fatigue. Cleaning this pan is a breeze. Its non-stick properties mean that food slides off easily, and a quick wipe with a soft sponge is usually all that's needed. For messes, I found that a brief soak in warm, soapy water does the trick. It's also dishwasher safe, which is a convenient option for busy cooks. 9. Michelangelo 10 Frying Pan with Lid. Next up is the Michelangelo 10 Frying Pan with Lid, a stylish and versatile addition to any kitchen. The first thing that caught my eye was its attractive granite finish, which not only looks great, but also contributes to its non-stick properties. One of the key features of this pan is its induction compatibility. I've tested it on various stovetops, including induction, and it performs consistently well across all of them. This versatility is a huge plus for those with modern kitchens or those who might be considering an upgrade in the future. The inclusion of a lid is a fantastic feature that sets this pan apart from many of its competitors. I found it incredibly useful for steaming vegetables or simmering sauces. The lid fits snugly, effectively trapping heat and moisture for more efficient cooking. The pan's three-layer structure contributes to its excellent heat distribution. When I used it for stir fries, I noticed that ingredients cooked evenly without any hot spots. This is crucial for achieving perfectly cooked meals every time. Cleaning this pan is a joy. Its non-stick surface means that food slides off effortlessly, making post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Even sticky foods like caramel or cheese come off easily with minimal effort. 8. Utopia Kitchen 11 Non-Stick Frying Pan. The Utopia Kitchen 11 Non-Stick Frying Pan is a fantastic budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. One of the first things I noticed about this pan was its lightweight design, which makes it easy to handle, especially for those who may struggle with heavier cookware. Despite its lightweight construction, this pan feels robust and durable. I've been using it regularly for several months, and it shows no signs of wear or damage. The non-stick coating has remained effective, even with frequent use. The induction base is a great feature, making this pan suitable for all types of cooktops. I've tested it on both gas and induction stoves, and it performs equally well on both. This versatility ensures that you can continue using this pan even if you change your cooking setup. One of my favorite features of this pan is its heat-resistant handle. During testing, I found that it remained cool to the touch even after extended cooking sessions. This adds an extra layer of safety and comfort when using the pan. In terms of performance, this pan excels. I've used it for everything from scrambling eggs to searing meats, and it consistently delivers excellent results. The non-stick surface ensures that food doesn't stick, making both cooking and cleaning a breeze. 7. CS-KOCHSYSTEME 11 Copper Nonstick Frying Pan with Lid. The CS-KOCHSYSTEME 11 Copper Nonstick Frying Pan with Lid is a beautiful and functional addition to any kitchen. The copper nonstick coating not only looks stunning, but also provides excellent heat distribution. During my tests, I found that it heated up quickly and evenly, which is crucial for achieving perfect sears on meats and even browning on pancakes. One of the standout features of this pan is its ceramic non-stick coating. I was impressed by how easily food released from the surface, even when cooking notoriously sticky items like eggs or fish. Cleanup is a breeze. Most of the time, a simple wipe with a soft cloth is all that's needed. The inclusion of a lid is a fantastic bonus. I found it particularly useful when cooking dishes that require moisture retention, like braised chicken or steamed vegetables. The lid fits snugly, effectively trapping steam and heat for more efficient cooking. The stainless steel handle is another great feature. It stays cool during cooking, which adds an extra layer of safety and comfort. The handle's design also provides a secure grip, making it easy to maneuver the pan even when it's full. In terms of versatility, this pan excels. It's compatible with all stovetops, including induction. I've tested it on various heat sources, and it performs consistently well across all of them. Whether you're sorting vegetables, searing meats, or making delicate sauces, this pan is up to the task. 6. Biomineral B 7.9 Carbon Steel Fry Pan. Last but certainly not least, we have the Biomineral B 7.9 Carbon Steel Fry Pan. This pan offers a unique take on non-stick cooking, utilizing a natural seasoning process rather than a chemical coating. While it requires a bit more initial effort to season, the results are well worth it. One of the most impressive features of this pan is its heat retention capabilities. During my tests, I found that it held heat exceptionally well, making it perfect for searing meats. I was able to achieve restaurant-quality sears on steaks and chops, with beautiful browning and flavor development. The high heat capability of this pan sets it apart from many other non-stick options. It can withstand much higher temperatures than traditional non-stick pans, making it ideal for techniques like sorting and stir-frying. I've used it for high-heat Chinese cooking with great success. While not technically non-stick out of the box, this pan develops a natural non-stick surface over time with proper seasoning and use. I found that after a few uses, eggs were sliding around in the pan as easily as they would in a chemically treated non-stick pan. The durability of this pan is impressive. Unlike traditional non-stick pans that need to be replaced every few years, this carbon steel pan, if properly cared for, can last a lifetime. It's truly an investment piece for serious home cooks. 5. Our Place Always Pan. The Our Place Always Pan has taken the cookware world by storm with its innovative design and multifunctionality. This 12.5-inch pan is more than just a frying pan, it's a kitchen workhorse that claims to replace 8 traditional pieces of cookware. One of the standout features of the Always Pan is its non-toxic ceramic non-stick coating. During my tests, I found this coating to be incredibly effective. Eggs slid around the pan with ease, and even sticky foods like caramel released without a hitch. The non-stick properties held up well even after several uses and washes. The pan's lightweight aluminium body makes it easy to maneuver, which I appreciated during long cooking sessions. Despite its light weight, it conducts heat evenly and efficiently. I was impressed by how quickly it heated up and how well it maintained consistent temperatures across the cooking surface. A unique feature of the Always Pan is its built-in spoon rest, which is a clever touch that saves counter space and keeps your utensils within easy reach. The included beechwood spatula fits perfectly in this rest, and I found myself using it frequently. While the Always Pan performs admirably for most cooking tasks, it's worth noting that it's not suitable for high-heat cooking methods like searing steaks. However, for everyday cooking needs, from sorting vegetables to making sauces, it excels. The deep sides make it great for dishes that require a bit more volume, like stir-fries or one-pot meals. For Blue Diamond Ceramic Frying Pan. Next up is the Blue Diamond Ceramic Frying Pan, which boasts a diamond-infused ceramic non-stick coating. This 8-inch pan is perfect for smaller households or for cooking individual portions. The first thing I noticed about this pan was its striking blue exterior. But beyond aesthetics, the Blue Diamond pan impressed me with its performance. The diamond-infused coating is said to be 5 times harder and 10 times longer lasting than traditional non-stick coatings, and my testing seemed to support these claims. I put the pan through its paces with notoriously sticky foods like scrambled eggs and pancakes. The non-stick properties were excellent, with food releasing easily and cleanup being a breeze. Even after repeated use and washing, the non-stick coating showed no signs of wear. One of the standout features of this pan is its ability to heat up quickly and evenly. The manufacturer claims it conducts heat 4 times faster than copper pans, and while I can't verify that exact figure, I can say that it heats up impressively fast. This quick heating, combined with excellent heat distribution, resulted in evenly cooked food every time. The Blue Diamond pan is also oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, which adds to its versatility. I tested it in the oven for finishing off a frittata, and it performed beautifully. The pan is also dishwasher safe, although I found it so easy to clean by hand that I rarely felt the need to put it in the dishwasher. Three, All-Clad H1 Non-Stick Fry Pan Set. Moving up to our number 3 spot, we have the All-Clad H1 Non-Stick Fry Pan Set. This set includes 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch pans, offering versatility for various cooking needs. All-Clad is known for its high-quality cookware, and these non-stick pans live up to the brand's reputation. The hard-anodized aluminium construction provides excellent heat distribution and durability. During my tests, I found that these pans heated evenly and maintained consistent temperatures, which is crucial for achieving perfect results. The non-stick coating on these pans is FOA-free and exceptionally effective. I cooked everything from delicate fish to sticky rice dishes, and nothing clung to the surface. The food released easily, and cleanup was always a quick and simple process. One feature I particularly appreciated was the stainless steel handles. They're securely riveted to the pan and designed to stay cool on the stovetop. This made it easy to maneuver the pans, even when they were full of food. The handles are also comfortable to grip, which is important when you're cooking for extended periods. These pans are oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which adds to their versatility. I used them to start dishes on the stovetop and finish them in the oven with great results. They're also compatible with all cooktops, including induction, which is a big plus for those with induction stoves. While these pans are on the pricier side, the set offers excellent value. Having 3 sizes available means you always have the right pan for the job, whether you're frying a single egg or cooking a family-sized stir-fry. 2. Zwilling Madura Plus. Coming in at number 2 is the Zwilling Madura Plus 8-inch frying pan. This pan combines sleek design with impressive performance, making it a standout in the non-stick category. The Madura Plus features a forged aluminium body that provides excellent heat distribution. In my tests, I found that it heated up quickly and evenly, with no noticeable hot spots. This resulted in consistently well-cooked food, whether I was making a simple omelette or searing delicate fish fillets. The non-stick coating on this pan is truly impressive. Zwilling uses a multi-layered Duraslide granite non-stick coating that they claim is 40 times more durable than traditional non-stick coatings. While I can't verify that exact figure, I can say that the non-stick properties of this pan are exceptional. Even the stickiest foods released with ease, and the coating showed no signs of wear after repeated use and cleaning. One feature that sets the Madura Plus apart is its scratch resistance. Zwilling uses an innovative plasma primer that provides excellent resistance to scratches and abrasion. While I still use non-metal utensils as a precaution, it's reassuring to know that the pan has this extra layer of protection. The ergonomic handle is another highlight of this pan. It's designed to stay cool during stovetop use and provides a comfortable, secure grip. I found this particularly useful when tossing ingredients or transferring the pan from stovetop to oven. Speaking of oven news, the Madura Plus is oven safe up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. While this isn't as high as some other pans, it's sufficient for most cooking needs. The pan is also dishwasher safe, although like most non-stick cookware, hand washing is recommended to prolong its life. One, Le Creuset Toughened Non-Stick Fry Pan. And now we've reached our top pick, the Le Creuset Toughened Non-Stick Fry Pan. This 11-inch pan combines Le Creuset's renowned quality with exceptional non-stick performance. The first thing that struck me about this pan was its weight and solid feel. It's heavier than some other non-stick pans, but this heft translates to excellent heat retention and distribution. During my tests, it heated evenly and maintained consistent temperatures, which is crucial for achieving perfect results across a variety of dishes. Le Creuset's toughened non-stick surface is truly impressive. It's faux-free and triple reinforced, making it incredibly durable. I put it through its paces with a variety of sticky foods, from eggs to caramel, and nothing adhered to the surface. Even after repeated use and cleaning, the non-stick properties remained as effective as when I first used the pan. One of the standout features of this pan is its versatility. It's safe for use with metal utensils, although I still recommend using non-metal when possible to prolong the life of the non-stick coating, and it's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it perfect for dishes that start on the stovetop and finish in the oven. I used it to make a frittata, starting it on the stove and finishing under the broiler with excellent results. The handle design on this pan deserves special mention. It's ergonomically designed and stays cool on the stovetop, making it comfortable and safe to use. The helper handle on the opposite side is a thoughtful addition, providing extra support when the pan is full. Cleanup is a breeze with this pan. Most of the time, a simple wipe with a soft cloth is all that's needed. But for messes, a brief soak in warm soapy water does the trick. While it's dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to preserve the non-stick coating. Final thoughts. In conclusion, each of these pans offers unique features and benefits to suit different cooking styles and preferences. From the versatile Our Place Always pan to the top-performing Le Creuset Toughened non-stick fry pan, there's a non-stick option for every kitchen. Remember, regardless of which pan you choose, proper care and maintenance are key to ensuring its longevity and performance. Happy cooking!